Hey, if you want to set the live wallpaper of the TikTok on your device, all you have to do is just to click on this share button, and now you will have to find this icon, set as a wallpaper. So if for some reason it doesn't appear right here, you will have to scroll into the right side and locate this option right here. Then you can tap to set this as a wallpaper, and now we have to install Wallpaper plugin. So click to install. Now let's get this TikTok live wallpaper. So let's download it on your device. As you can see, it goes really fast. So after a few seconds, we can actually go back and let's see if it works. It is not working. So let's try to repeat. Click on the share button, go into the set as a wallpaper. Now it is downloading this video and click to set as a wallpaper. Now click to set wallpaper one more time and set if you want to set it on the home screen or maybe also on the lock screen. So take a look. Now after a few seconds, as you can see, this wallpaper is set up into our screen. And that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.